Da, 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 da. Even when it don't feel right.
Hi guys, I didn't even have time to talk to you guys before I left the house because I was really rushing. Today is Saturday and I have a couple of things to do today. One, I am just getting to this Rock of Ages mall in Otako. Nonso Mr. Fen, he just opened a studio here. So I promised I was coming to see it today. You guys know he shot my house tour and shot my meet and greet. You guys remember? But yeah, I'm here to check out his studio, and then later on I have a store opening today. I guess that's him. Anyway, let's go guys.
Let it down, so I'm telling her yes. Though I'm counted down from the pain in my chest, but I'm putting her aside now. I'ma feel her right now. Happy from the stuff I know she likes. I've been trying my luck every day of the week, yeah. With my baby, what's up? Always down every week, yeah.
Fan, say hi. You guys, look at the brain behind this pretty place. She's a fine boy. Hey. Huh. So that's a very fine, handsome young man. My mom, yes. She was complaining. She said, maybe how much? I was like, hey, why is my child now married though? Who should I give this boy to now? Yes, now I have potential wives on my YouTube now. You guys see fine boys. I'm introducing you to five boys. You guys, this is queer. Say if you like it black. This is the almighty Kuyet Bamai. This is Nonso, aka Mr. Fen. Fine boy. Team light skin. Ebony and Ivory. You're not on Instagram. Star.
I'm on Instagram, you don't know.
What do you mean you're not on Instagram?
I don't have a personal page.
Okay, personal page. But it's still you that was at the DM. It's still you. It's still you that was at your DM. We should go and DM this fine boy. Sit there. People know this one. This one is everybody knows Queens now. So say it's set for. I can never forget that reel you did about shaking your ass on a yacht in Dubai. Hey! Was it a voiceover?
Was it a voiceover for a client?
Oh!
Let's just record something.
And then
In my house.
Nah, it was sick.
Yeah, it was just like.
It was sick.
Let's just put this thing.
And it was ridiculously sexy for some reason.
Yeah.
That is without effort though.
And then now he went to Dubai.
And then he went to Dubai. And there was a yeah, but he did. Shake. Alright, so I just got to Fusion Mall where the store launch for Blue Puppy is happening. It's been one heck of a day, guys, but it's my lippy today though.
Party with her, with her. Even when it don't feel right. You know I'ma party with her, yeah. She be calling on a Monday, wanna meet on Tuesday, asking me to fix me up real nice. She can wait until the weekend, she wants off the deep end, telling me to bring the stuff I like. I don't wanna let her down, so I'm telling her yes. Though I'm kinda.
First of all, I say thank you so much for honoring our invitation, for coming to drink and shop with us. Leave it to her now to tell you a bit about what we do here. It's a self-care and lifestyle concept store.
Hello everyone. Hi, I'm AB and I own Blue Puppy with my sister C. Blue Puppy literally resulted as we found a need for self-care items in the market, honestly. So we started off with our face mask. We have Bluebell and Money Glory face masks, and then honestly we just wanted more things. That was it, and we're like, if we want these things, we're sure people want these things as well. And so we just decided to source for things that we love at an affordable price, and we're just hoping that you love and enjoy them as well. These are like literally our favorite things. All the brands you see are brands we use, from like Saltaire, Forever Mood, obviously Blue Puppy. These are things we just enjoy, and honestly we're just hoping that people enjoy them with us.
just as long as she's with me. I've been trying my luck every day of the week, yeah.
Hey, hi. Hi, Rhoda.
No, I love her too much, but I just can't get enough. She's slipping through the cracks, call my bluff. She know what's up, yeah. Can't get enough, yeah. Even when it don't feel right. Hey, I still wanna party with her, even when it don't feel right. Yeah, you know I'ma party with her, with her, with her.
Guys, so I just came out of Blue Poppy. That space is so cute. Like, it's such a nice thought out space. Yeah, I am a sucker for beautiful spaces, and that space is just so cute. It's small but cute. Like, if I were to have a store today, like a little store, that's how it will look. So aesthetically pleasing, so beautiful. So I got something from there. They stock Forever Mood candles apparently. If you don't know, Blue Poppy is like a nice brand owned by two sisters, and they do sheet masks. I don't know if I've ever shown you guys this on my YouTube channel before, but I do use their sheet masks. In fact, I have a lot of them because they've sent me a lot of them over time. But yeah, they just opened their store today, and they stock a couple of products as well from Sephora, a couple of hair products. They also stock Forever Mood candles, Jackie Aina's brand. Jackie Aina, keep saying it's Aina. Jackie Aina's brand, Forever Mood. And I got so confused on which particular one to pick because I have actually been wanting to try out candles from Forever Mood. You guys know I'm obsessed with candles, I'm obsessed with scents, you guys know this. So I picked up one candle from Forever Mood. It's called Spring Flings. I smelled a lot of the Forever Mood candles there, guys, and I was confused, okay? But this one stood out for me. It smells heavenly, smells amazing, smells like flowers and fruits and just so many things all in one. And it's actually really big, like the size is really big. And trust me, I don't think I'm burning this immediately. I feel like I'm not going to burn this candle now. I still have a lot of candles that I haven't burnt yet, so this is just going to be in my reservoir of scented candles, if you get. But yeah, I got this. I didn't buy any sheet masks because I still have a lot from Blue Poppy, so I didn't buy any sheet masks. And can I just say that their bags, their shopping bags are so cute, like so cute. So because I spent over 20k, oh, this Forever Mood candles, of course they're imported, so they would have to be, you know, reasonably a bit more expensive than regular candles. But they gave me this tote bag, right? They gave me this tote bag because I spent over 20k. I feel like it'll come in handy for like when you travel. It has like a cow on it, so it's a tote bag. And then they still gave me a pack of masks. They still gave me a sample. Okay, they still gave me 2 of their masks, right? Morning Glory and Bluebell. I have these, like, I think I have like 8 of these, you know, at home. So yeah, it's a very nice, wholesome brand. I love brands that are just, you know, you don't have to be a very big brand for you to like make an impact, you get what I mean? So I absolutely love this brand. On my way out, they gave me this. There's a bottle of water. I already had champagne in there, a glass of champagne. There's a bottle of water here, and there is there's lunch, rice and chicken or something. Yeah, so I'll have this when I get home because I haven't actually eaten today like that. I don't know why I'm making it a habit to not eat these days, but yeah, it was a nice outing. Love the store. I would totally recommend to you, especially if you're looking for Forever Mood candles in Abuja. They stock it straight from the Obodo Ibo. All right, I should be heading home now. I think that's all I want to do in town. I will speak to you guys in a little bit, in a jiffy, okay?
Just text, I know it's a toss up, but
it's a damn hot day in Abuja today. Hi guys, hope you guys are doing well. Today is Monday and I'm just leaving my house. I want to be quite productive today, maybe not like work wise, but I want to get stuff done today. So today, first of all, what is that? First of all, I want to go and take out my nails. It's almost been a month I've had these nails, and they have like I don't know if you guys can see, but they have they have outgrown themselves. Okay, so it's time for a nail change. I have an appointment this morning. I'm thinking whether I will just take out these ones and allow my nails breathe for a while. That's what I'm thinking. I'm not sure, because I've not allowed my nails breathe in a little while. So maybe, just maybe, I may just dissolve these ones and, you know, allow my nails breathe for like 2 weeks or so, or I might just get a very short, very short sets done. I'm not sure. And gosh, I am hungry. I've not eaten. It's past 11 a.m. I've not had anything to eat today, but I'll just chill until I get into town and grab something to eat while I'm at it. After my nail appointment, where I usually buy my plants is not far from where I get my nails done, so I do have my plant bucket in the boot. You guys see, since last year that I began this plant journey, I cannot begin to tell you how many plants have changed. Okay, sometimes plants just want to die, sometimes they have lived through their lifespan and they just want to die, or whatever it is, no matter how hard you take care of them. So yeah, I do have 2 empty plant buckets in my boots that I definitely want to get some new plants, but those plants are going to my veranda. It's not for like my indoor. If you've been following me for a while, you will know that the plants that are inside my house indoor are mostly snake plants, because I cannot come and keep myself. They are the most easiest plants to take care of. My bedroom has a snake plant, my corridor in between the bedrooms has a snake plant, my outside my front door has a snake plant, but in my living room I still have one of the very first plants I got in my living room. I still have a green bamboo plant, but even that one, it has, see, since it's more than 1 year, it's over 1 year and 6 months now I got that plant, but it has thrived. Okay, it's beginning to die off slowly, but I'm still leaving it there. And then I have a bit of a, what you call that other plant in my living room as well. That one was a more recent buy, still doing very well. So yeah, I just tend not to have plants for indoors. I don't want to have plants that require too much attention, because I mean, the fact that they are indoors means that you don't have that much sunlight, so I don't want a plant that needs that much sunlight for indoors, which is why I stick with my snake plants and easy to take care of plants basically. But the 2 empty plant buckets in my boots, they are going to my veranda because they were in my veranda. One just decided to die off on its own, so there's one there now, but this 2, my veranda looks very bare and I don't like it, so I need to get like 2 proper plants, maybe golden palms. I've tried golden palm before, but they didn't survive for that long, so I don't know if I'm gonna buy golden palm. Let's see. When I get there, I'll know what he has. I also have like 2 of my tabletop pots as well, and I'm going to use to get plants as well. Anyway, that's just basically the rundown of what I want to do today: nails and plants. That's the agenda for today. I wanted to cook today, but the way it's already past 11. Before I'll finish whatever has to do with these nails and get these plants, I'm not sure what time it's going to be. I wanted to make stew or something. I'm not sure if that will be possible today anymore. I'm sure by the time I finish all of this I'll be super exhausted, so we might have to figure something else out to eat for today. Jesse is working from the office today, he's not home, so yeah. Anyways, that's that about that. So as always, you guys will come along with me on this Monday morning when the rest of the world is hustling for their daily bread. Alma Ungu is going to do her nails and get some plants. Crazy, but it is what it is. I love my life. Anyway guys, let's go.
I hate the fact that we lost touch. Ayy, the Uber pulling up on call.
So hi guys, I just came out of the nail salon. I didn't get my nails done because I'm just like, these nails need to breathe a little bit. Actually, they do need to breathe. I just got a much needed pedicure. Like, my feet was craving so much love, so I got a pedicure and I changed my nail polish on my toes, and that's about it. So let me quickly go and get this plant. It's just right around the corner there, so let me get the plants, see what I can find. This one, what's this one called? This one is good for balcony. How much is this one? How many go there inside one bucket? And the thing be that now. Make I see has one day. I don't want to make it too small though. Okay, this is how big it is. But I don't like this one. Oh yeah, now bring one. I like this one. Like this one where they see like this now. That one. This one is cute. It's pretty. Okay, that one. I not so like that one. This red one. I don't like this red color. True. I don't like the red color at all at all. You saw it? Okay, I see this one. Thank you. How much this one?
The same price.
3,000.
We was raised a little different. Used to be ashamed who I was, now I'm paid by the sentence. Taking my time with it. Baby, give me yours, so I could get them butterflies trapped in your rib cage. Let me know we on the same page. Hit me with a text, voice note or an emoji. Waiting all day for your name on the ID. So if you want it, tap in. I think that I know somewhere that we could go to Crashland. And we could keep the pace on slow jam. Don't leave me on red. Can we go?
I just settled for a golden palm and one other one for my balcony. And then he's trying to get the ones I'm going to use for my 2 tabletop pots.
I hate the fact that we lost touch. Yeah. The Uber pulling up on call. Tell me, is you trying to fall through? I'ma leave it up to you. What you wanna do?
This is my life. Anytime I buy plants, my back seat always looks like a foliage, a forest. So crazy. But anyway, I'm done for the day. I'm happy I was able to do everything I wanted to do today. So I'm just going to head home now. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow most likely. I'm not sure I'm going to put on this camera today anymore. Let's just see how the rest of the day goes, but I doubt. Yeah, anyway, see ya.
Satisfying you while I keep bleeding. I don't know why you act like you innocent. You wanna take a piece of my heart again. I'll get you up, cause I just don't know. Something in your eyes, the way you stare me that I like. I wanna let you go, but it's like something holds me tight. You might break my heart tonight, but I'm gonna hold it tight. Oh, it feels like yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You had to let me go, yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow. We tried too many times. You misbehaving. You must have known me. You make me crazy, kinda like Johnny. Turns it down better, better. Making me lose my mind, cause I just don't know. Something in your eyes, the way you stare me that I like. I wanna let you go, but it's like something holds me tight. You might break my heart tonight, but I'm gonna hold it tight. Oh, it feels like yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You had to let me go, yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow. We tried too many times. Ooh, you got me feeling cool. Ooh, you got me feeling blue. Something about you so see-through. Something just ain't right by you.